there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions without losing your mind in the process. Today, we're taking to the skies with two mini drones that promise to make you feel like a pro pilot. On the left, we have the ATTOP Drone, and on the right, the V4 Mini Foldable Drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the cameras on these bad boys. The ATTOP Drone boasts a 2K camera with a 120-degree wide-angle lens. It's like having an eagle's eye view, but without the whole hunting for prey thing. On the other hand, the V4 packs a 1080p camera with a 90-degree adjustable angle. Not bad, but it's like comparing a blockbuster movie to your cousin's home video. If you're all about those high-definition, Instagram-worthy shots, the ATTOP Drone clearly takes the crown here. But hey, the V4 isn't too shabby either. It's perfect for those who want to capture some cool shots without breaking the bank. Now, let's dive into the fun stuff. The ATTOP Drone comes with voice control, gesture recognition, and can even do a 360-degree flip. It's like the drone equivalent of a gymnast who can also take selfies. Meanwhile, the V4 has its own bag of tricks, including 3D flips, headless mode, gravity control, and an auto-follow function. It's like having a loyal puppy, but one that can fly and doesn't need potty training. If you're into futuristic sci-fi feels, the ATTOP Drone's voice control and gesture recognition might just win your heart. But if you want a drone that can follow you around like a tiny, flying stalker, the V4 is your go-to. Let's talk ease of use. The ATTOP Drone is all about that one-button takeoff and landing life. It's like the drone equivalent of autopilot for humans. Plus, it has altitude hold and 3 different speed settings, perfect for beginners and pros alike. On the flip side, the V4 also offers 1-key takeoff/landing and 3 speed modes. It's like these drones are trying to out-lazy each other. Both drones are super beginner-friendly, but the ATTOP Drone's altitude hold feature gives it a slight edge for those high-quality shots. However, the V4 is no slouch and will get you flying with minimal effort. Alright, time for the all-important battery life. The ATTOP Drone comes with two 1,100 mAh batteries, giving you a total flight time of about 20 minutes. That's enough to feel like a mini maverick. But the V4 ups the ante with 2 modular batteries that give you a whopping 26 minutes of flight time. It's like they strapped an extra gas tank on this thing. If you're planning a drone marathon, the V4 wins this round with its longer flight time. But for those quick, high-quality shots, the ATTOP Drone is still a solid choice. Last but not least, let's talk portability and durability. The ATTOP Drone is foldable and comes with a handy carrying case, making it easy to take on the go. Plus, it has an emergency stop feature that's perfect for those "oh no, it's going to crash" moments. The V4 is also foldable and boasts super durability with full propeller guards. It's like the drone equivalent of bubble wrap. Both drones are portable and durable, but the V4's full guard protection makes it a better option for those prone to accidental crashes. Summarizing the Amazon reviews, the ATTOP Drone is praised for its user-friendliness and customer service, but has mixed reviews regarding battery life and app functionality. Reviewers appreciate its easy setup and beginner-friendly features, although some mention issues with wind and control responsiveness. The Ford V4 Mini Foldable Drone also garners positive feedback for its ease of use and suitability for beginners. However, some users note its lower image quality and occasional durability issues. Overall, both drones are well received, but each has specific areas where they excel. So there you have it, folks. The ATTOP Drone and the Ford V4 Mini Foldable Drone both have their unique strengths. If you're all about camera quality and cool tech features, go for the ATTOP Drone. But if you want longer flight time and durability, the Ford V4 is your best bet. Thanks for watching, Smart Shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Until next time, happy flying. Product links are in the description.